Hello there, my name is Caston Damani. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to make a Chinese minced pork patty, or perhaps you could call it a Chinese meatloaf. It's really simple. It's one of those comfort foods, and if you want to impress your in-laws or perhaps your Chinese boyfriend or Chinese girlfriend, this is definitely the item to make. So usually people serve it with rice and sauteed eggs, sauteed fish, or perhaps sauteed vegetables, or you could serve it without those. But today I'm going to use sauteed vegetables, and I'm going to show you right now, shall we?
Here's the list of the ingredients. You might want to pause this video just in case if you're at the supermarket, or perhaps you need to go through the list. So you mix all the ingredients together. You use 1 pound of ground pork or turkey. I used half a cup preserved turnip. It's optional, you do not have to put it, but traditionally I do. 1 cup of chopped scallions. 1 cup of diced water chestnuts, either fresh or canned. 1 cup of diced shiitake mushrooms or any type of mushrooms. So you use 1 tablespoon of any type of oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you use 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and depending on how salty you want the patty to be. Now you mix all the ingredients together. You could use chopsticks, you could use a spatula, or you could use your hands, whatever you feel comfortable with. Now you're going to pour all the ingredients onto a plate. Make sure the plate is deep enough, usually like 1 inch to 2 inches deep. And then you're going to start patting it down, make sure it's nice and solid. This part is optional, but I like to garnish my Chinese meatloaf with some diced gingers right before the steaming. To steam it, I used a steam rack, or if it's too short, you could use a bowl. You can now place your dish into the pot. Depending on the thickness of your patty, it could take anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes to fully cook. Once it's done, take it out, cut a little piece, and to make sure it's fully cooked inside. There you have it, my traditional Chinese minced pork with sauteed turnip, or Chinese meatloaf. It tastes so good, especially with white rice. I hope you enjoy it. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.